the R consonant, tongue point consonant. Hug the inside of the upper back teeth with the back of the tongue, while the tip of the tongue curls upwards. Now, the strongly vibrating American R tends to pull entire words back into the throat. Feel the throaty vibration pulled forward by tonal action onto the hard palate. So not radio, radio, not running, but radio, running. Now, feel the strongly vibrating R on the hard palate. Reporter, running, radio, waitress, photographer.
Regular, carrying, red, refrigerator, raining.
Feel the vibrating R in these sentences.
The reporter was running around the radio station.
The waitress brought the photographer while it's raining. That's the wrong sentence.
I know what the sentence should be. The waitress brought the photographer his regular order.
That's it.
Okay.
The waitress brought the photographer his regular order. The waitress brought the photographer his regular order.
I'm not carrying that red refrigerator while it's raining. I'm not carrying that red refrigerator while it's raining.